Welcome to Bright's Market Minutes. I'm Dr. Lisa Sturdivant, Bright MLS Chief Economist. Well, if you thought the housing market might cool down this summer, new July data suggests that this is going to end up being a surprisingly busy summer market. So what are we watching? First, home prices. The median home price in the Bright MLS footprint was up 3.9% in July, and this is the strongest price growth since January. If you take this past April as an exception, when home prices were flat, we've had 89 consecutive months of price growth here in the Mid-Atlantic. This is a very different trend than some other markets, particularly higher cost West Coast markets where home prices have been falling. Our housing market has been surprisingly resilient. Demand has remained strong and inventory is still low, which means prices have continued to rise despite elevated mortgage rates and growing affordability challenges. So second, let's talk about affordability. Housing affordability has gotten worse over the past couple of years. Mortgage rates have risen and home prices are high. And at the same time, incomes haven't increased by enough to offset higher monthly payments. It's been surprising to me that higher rates and prices haven't pushed more people out of the market, particularly first-time buyers. In our recent subscriber survey, we found that more than 40% of home buyers in our footprint were first-time buyers. Buyers are definitely having to get a little more creative. Some younger buyers are getting assistance from parents. New financing options, including assumable mortgages and seller financing, are also now part of the conversation. Finally, we still have to talk about new listing activity, which is incredibly low at a more than 2-decade low. Existing homeowners are still locked in the golden handcuffs of super low mortgage rates. As current rates still sit above 6.5%, homeowners are inhibited from selling, even if they want to. Rates will come down some over the next few months, but a lot of homeowners will still feel locked down. So we're not expecting a big increase in new listing activity this fall. That's it for this month's Market Minutes. Check out Bright's July 2023 Housing Market Report on the Bright MLS website. Don't forget to register for our next webinar, which is Thursday, August 17th. And also check out our latest on MLS study, which measures the benefits associated with listing a property on the MLS. I will see you next month.